Okay, we have a caller on the line. It's Ranganathan who's calling from Mayapuri. Go ahead, Ranganathan. Go ahead.
Law.
Yes?
How will they implement the law? Because I have seen while traveling in the train, even though it has been banned, I have seen vendors selling cigarettes right in front of the TTE, policemen and everybody. And even when you complain, nothing happens.
Okay.
It's a question of how you are going to implement it. Somebody is not very strict. Even the rail authority themselves are not strict.
Okay.
I don't know how to overcome this.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, you're very right, son. So the implementation is still a very big question mark. We really need to work towards that. And it's very right that yes, the availability factor is one factor which the government really needs to take care of, because every 100 yards you'll find a vendor selling cigarettes.
Exactly.
If the availability is there, people will find places to smoke. They will infringe the law. And in fact, the implementation is still a question mark till the time the police personnel themselves, till the time the people who are implementing the law, they are themselves not smokers. They have themselves quit smoking. Yeah. Because if they are smoking themselves, they'll always have a soft corner for a person who is a smoker. He'll say, I really have an urge to smoke. A person who is smoking who would say, yeah,
but then right now this move that has come from the center, from the health ministry in particular, is definitely a way forward, because now more and more people know that it is not allowed. There are helplines they can call and complain. In fact, they've invited complaints from people. Yeah,
but if a person smoking in any train, if you say earlier when we used to say, please stop smoking, it is hurting us, they won't listen to us. Today they would be ashamed and they'll quickly stop the.
So public awareness is a huge factor.
In the sense that earlier when we used to travel by air, smoking was allowed. That it's banned. You just sit down and accept it.
Yes, things will move forward. In fact, the smoking ban has been implemented in a lot of countries. In the UK, in certain parts of the US, in Singapore. So it has worked. But you also need constant policing, and you need people themselves to stand up and say.
Quit. Actually, once they have quit, they'll be really messengers for the general public. Like once you are off the habit, then only you'll feel you can.
Yeah, and then you can talk about people. Okay, quit.
Right. Yeah. I have done.
And you're also spreading. You become role messenger. You actually act like helping people to quit. Also, that is also
Of course. Now, but also one says education is the key to everything. But smokers, more often than not, know exactly what is going to happen. They know that cancer is a risk factor. They know cardiovascular diseases is certainly a possibility, bronchitis, various health issues that come up because of smoking, diabetes, high blood pressure. In spite of that, in spite of all the information that has been doing the rounds, it hasn't really kicked off in our country.
Education is one part, ma'am. When a person, like I said earlier, when a person starts smoking, he starts at a very tender age. I have children, school children, smoking, say from class 8th standard to 9th standard. They are not bothered about any lung cancer or any cardiovascular diseases or anything. That is distant. Hoga to hoga. They are not bothered of any terminal illness. They are only bothered about the present.
Right.
The government should focus on things like your skin would be on the aesthetic things, or on impotence, or that would make an impact on the youngsters.
Okay. We have another caller on the line, Sanjeev Raheja, who's calling from East Patel Nagar. Go ahead, Sanjeev.
Hello.
Yes?
Yeah, madam, I think this smoking ban is a welcome step in the right direction.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, go on.
Yeah, as it is, India is so polluted. It's one of the most polluted countries in the world.
Right.
And there's so many problems, regarding pollution. It's got the maximum carbon dioxide emission levels also. It's even surpassed Russia. So I think this is a very welcome change. In fact, I think smoking should be banned altogether, even in private places.
Okay.
Yeah.
He has a very right point to say. I really appreciate what he's saying. Actually, the production and the manufacture and the selling should be banned. That would be the complete solution, rather than saying this place is a smoking place, this place is a non-smoking place. Yes, you can smoke on the road and make the environment dirty. You cannot smoke in a public place. He's very right. We really need to. I really would if given a choice, if given some power, I would really go in for a complete ban.
You're suggesting that tobacco or cigarettes should be made illegal. completely.
Not illegal, but
They should not be available.
Okay.
Because the
not
easy
be made
availability.
available.
Okay.
The easy availability is one factor that will, if you make the availability difficult, definitely you'll find a great reduction in
Right.
the
Speaking
consumption.
of availability being, it's so easy to buy cigarettes. In fact, there are panwalas at
Yeah.
every campus, near schools, near colleges. Children are the biggest victims, I think, of smoking because of peer pressure, because of the glamorization, so to speak, like you were mentioning about of smoking, and also when parents smoke. Now, you have two kids. Would you ever, when you were a smoker, would you ever smoke in front of your children?
Oh yes. In fact, I know it's very wrong, but they were really babies when I started smoking in front of them.
Right.
And I know they used to hate it, but they didn't say a word.
Okay.
And now I realize that was something that I should not have done.
Right. And what is their take
And
on?
luckily it has worked in my favor, because they have seen me going through the entire process of cancer, the number of operations, etc. So they don't want to have anything to do with cigarettes.
Okay.
So that's one thing about my son, which I feel is an advantage that they've had,
Okay.
and which in turn has carried on to their friends.
Right. Right. Automatically, it starts
It
from
starts
one
spreading.
person. It starts spreading.
In
But
fact,
yeah.
yesterday trying to think of some friends who smoke, and I couldn't think of any friends.
Okay. So that is a fantastic,
That is a fantastic.
you know, unfortunate as it may be, but it has worked in the favor for your children. And but on the other hand, you still have parents who smoke in front of their
Because it
children.
is not technically feasible for a person to go out say 20 times and have a cigarette outside the house.
Right.
So basically they'll land up going to the balconies or to the toilet if they're very conscious about the
Right.
children health. But basically we need to understand that passive smoking also gives you 4,000 plus substances, and it is more carcinogenic than active smoking. That is why there's a hue and cry for passive smoking.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am, we have another caller on the line. It's Renu calling from Vasant Kunj. Go ahead, Renu.
Tell me one thing, doctor. There are so many husbands who will smoke whole day. How can we control them?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
Very upset wife there.
Very upset wife. Actually, wives don't like the husband smoking.
Correct.
Nobody would, except that she herself is a smoker. Yeah. Actually, you need to really make your husband you should really convince him to go to a cessation center or to quit completely, because we make fake attempts to really reduce the amount of cigarettes, a gradual reduction. That is not actually possible. That is a self-defeating exercise. After some time the person goes back to it again.
Right.
The only way to quit is cold turkey. Ask your
That is
husband to
quit
quit
altogether.
smoking, because it's not possible for him to really go out and smoke every time. Yeah. So definitely after say a week's time, 10 days time, he'll again go back to his normal routine.
Right.
So the wife should really focus on the quitting of the husband. If the person can quit on his own, just tell your husband that it's only a 3-day difficult period. It's only the first 72 hours that the person is in the difficult situation. The physiological cravings only
Right.
are there for 3 days.
And
After
then
that
it
the
becomes
cravings
easy.
are bound to go
Subsiding.
back on a sharp decline.
Okay.
So, and we have now cessation centers also to help the person quit.
Great. On that note, we are going to take a short break here on Delhi Dial. Now we will continue this discussion on the other